Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the switch for your convertible top in a 2005 to 2014 Ford Mustang. So first thing you want to do is lower the visors. Go ahead and unlock your top. Now if we come right here where the switch is, you're going to get a plastic pry tool, that way you don't break anything. This is a lot easier with two hands, but just get underneath it, just like that, and come down. Okay, so if you look right up here, you're going to disconnect it right there. All you gotta do is press down right here, press down and pull out, and the whole assembly comes out. Okay, so if we take a look here, to get better access to it, the switch is right here. One, we're going to go ahead and unplug it, so push down right here, pull it right out, and then we're also going to take out these two right here. They are T10s, so that's your Torx. Maybe hard to see on camera, but it is a star pattern, but it's a Torx 10-bit. So we'll just hold it with our other hand, go ahead and loosen it up. Same with the other side. Okay, I grabbed a little extension real quick. That'll make it easier to remove these bolts once I get to the top. So we got one out. And we'll go ahead and get this other one out. Make sure not to lose those. This should come right up, and we can disconnect it right here. Now we have full access to our switch right here. Okay, so if we look at it, it's held in right down here. It's hard to see, but right down there, down here, over here. It's got to be separated and come out. So what I did was I took the screwdriver in there and just barely pried on both sides. So just took it, put it right in between, and just give it a little bit of a pry. Don't do it too hard or you will break it, and then it will come right out. Now reinstalling it is just as easy. We'll get our new part, and the new part number is AR3Z15B691-AA. Okay, so now to reinstall it, all we're going to do is you take the end that's going to get connected, and of course line it up with the end that it will connect to. That way you know it's going in there right. Just don't pinch any of these wires, make sure they're out of the way. Push straight down, it'll click into place just like that. Now then, we'll go ahead and reconnect it right here. Clicks in, and now we can put it back together. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and connect this wire we pulled off earlier. And we'll stick this right back in here. Okay, so you just want to get these started. So I'll stick that in there. Now I'm going to take this extension, just get it started, make sure it don't cross thread. If you feel any resistance at the beginning, stop. As you can see, it's going in there smoothly. So we'll go ahead and grab our other bolt. We will also do the same thing. Just start it. Make sure you don't feel any resistance. You can always re-back it off and try again if you feel like you may have cross-threaded it. Just back it up and go right back down. That feels good to me. Now I'm getting my ratchet back out. And what I recommend here is, if you don't feel safe, you can always just look up the torque specs. But what I like to do, because these will crack if you over tighten them, so I just grab it by the head of the ratchet, as you can see here. I just grab it right here and turn. And I hold it with my other hand. And as soon as I feel it stop turning, which right there, it has resistance, I know I'm good. Same thing on this side. So we'll go ahead and right there, it doesn't want to turn anymore. Of course I could force it, but that's how you break it. But now we're ready to go put this back in the car. Okay, we're back in the car, and you just want to reconnect this. Just slide right back in. You'll hear that click. Okay, so now all you gotta do is line it back up, push one side back on, and the other side will clip back in too. Okay, all you gotta do now is just test it and you are done. And that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video or it helped you at all, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.